First thing I'm going to do is jack up from the center beam right here and just jack the whole front up. And once I got it jacked up, going to use these jack stands to put underneath it and just let them rest on those. And just using the side, neighbor was fine with that, so yeah, it's holding up fine. Turn the wheel to the left just to help give me some more room when I'm taking this out. So first thing I'm doing, just hitting everything with some liquid wrench just to help free it up a little bit. And then got to take out this sway bar. Pulled out these wires. Looks like the ABS wire. Just pulled that completely out of the strut. And then here's the sway bar. So you're going to need a Torx bit and then a ratchet to be able to take these out. And it's got a 1/4 inch socket that I'm going to be putting the Torx bit in to unscrew it. So using the wrench and the Torx bit, I'm able to unscrew this without the sway bar part moving. So just holding that in place with the wrench while I undo it. For the bottom, using a smaller Torx bit and a smaller wrench. And then same process, just gonna put the wrench on there and then the Torx bit in the middle and then just unscrew this guy. And there we go. Got the sway bar link out. Now to remove the strut, I'm going to be using one side I have a wrench, the other side I'm just using a ratchet, and I'm just going to be able to hold it in place while I take this out. Now once I take both those bolts out, the strut is free, and you can see an ABS wire right here as well that disconnects. So next what we'll need to do is we need to take out the top bolts. So there's 3 top nuts that we have to take off to take the strut out. And there we go, got the strut completely out, so you can see where we're going to be putting the new strut. Alright, and now we have the new strut in place here. So just start it out the same way we took it out by putting the top bolts in first. Now we're going to torque these guys down real good. Alright, got that torqued down really good. Now that we have this lined up and torqued down, just need to put this back in. Alright, got the bolts put in and torqued down, and then also have the sway bar back in, so new strut is installed. Last thing I need to do, just put the wheel back on, and we should be good to go. Alright, got the car back on the ground, and as you can see here, got the new strut put in place. So, hope the video was helpful, and thanks for watching, guys.